Your P&L is under pressure. You're watching controllable expenses climb, but the culprit isn't always what you think. The biggest drains on your bottom line are often rework and unplanned overtime. This happens when tasks aren't done right the first time, forcing teams to stay late or redo work. Rework is the ultimate profit killer. Every time a procedure is missed, like a prep list or a closing checklist, it creates a domino effect of labor waste. To stop this, you need real-time accountability. When team members have clear digital guidance, tasks are completed correctly the first time, eliminating the need for costly overtime to fix mistakes later. By standardizing your operations, you move from reactive firefighting to proactive management, lowering your controllable expenses by up to 4% almost immediately. That's where Ops Analytica comes in. We don't just give you a tool, we give you a solution. Our fully configured turnkey implementation packages mean we do the heavy lifting. We set up your checklists and workflows for you, so you can start saving time and reducing compliance costs on day one. No lengthy setups, no complex configurations. Just a platform built to help you run a tighter, more profitable operation instantly. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the chat. There's no commitment, no cost, just a straightforward conversation.